We miss our students on this great occasion, and since they are not here, we are not having big program here, but we shall have flag hoisting. Before that, we will have a small prayer, tribute to our leaders and soldiers, followed by flag hoisting. Today, we the Indians celebrate the 75th Independence Day of our country. On this day, India breathed the air of freedom from foreign rule. It's a great day of rejoicing for us Indians, a day of new life, a new power, an unforgettable day in the history of India. It's a day of immense pride for all Indians as we commemorate the victory over British rule. Into that freedom, my father, let my country awake. This prayer of Tagore echoes through our land constantly because we do not experience true freedom. Let us present before God our country, which needs to be free from every corruption and vices. Let us ask the Almighty to heal our motherland, especially from coronavirus, which is affecting human lives. We pray to God for all the country leaders that they may learn to cooperate in the building of the world order of peace and justice, which will pave the way towards freedom. May God bless every citizen to cooperate in nation building, going beyond the barriers of caste or religion. May God help us to live in harmony and peace, and to make an effort to eradicate corruption and injustice. Today, as our country marks the 75th Independence Day of our country, I now request all our sisters and teachers to light a candle. As we place the candle, let us continue to pray for our country. मांगे, गाहे तब जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे। मेरा कर्मा तू, मेरा धर्मा तू, तेरा सब कुछ मैं, मेरा सब कुछ तू। हर कर्म अपना करेंगे, हर कर्म अपना करेंगे, हे वतन तेरे लिए दिल दिया है जान भी देंगे, हे वतन तेरे लिए दिल दिया है जान भी देंगे, हे वतन तेरे लिए। हर कर्म अपना करेंगे, हे वतन तेरे लिए दिल दिया है जान भी देंगे, हे वतन तेरे लिए। तू मेरा कर्मा, तू मेरा धर्मा, तू मेरा अभिमान है, हे वतन महबूब मेरे, तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान है, हे वतन महबूब मेरे, तुझ पे दिल कुर्बान